In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can create Google Forms. So let's dive right in. Open up your favorite browser and search for Google. And on the right side, you'll find the sum of dots. If you click here, it will open up these type of windows. Here you can find this Forms option. If you click on that, it will open up this Google Forms. Here you will find this type of dashboard. Now if you click on this template gallery, it will show you these pre-made templates here. You can use these pre-made templates for your ease, but in this tutorial, we will start with this blank form that's showing here. If you click on that, it will open up like this. From here, you can simply change the title of your form. Double click on that and you can write the topic of your form. And here you'll find this description option. Click on that and from here you can start typing, and it will also give you these options like bold, italic and many more to add. At the bottom side, you'll find this untitled questions. Click on that and here you can type any text, and on the right side it will show you this sum of options like short answer. If you open up this, it will show you many more like to write paragraph, short answer, check boxes and even file upload. And if you want to add more sections like this, you can simply click on this plus icon and it will be added at the bottom side. After setting up your context, in the upper side you'll find here this customize theme option. Click on that and you can change your text style from here according to your brand. You can also change the image of your header like this, and even if you scroll down, you'll find here this colors option and background options. You can play with these settings to make more attractive your Google Forms. After setting up, simply click on this send and you will be on this email section to send via. You can select this copy link and from here you can simply copy it and share it where you want. So this was the short tutorial on how to create Google Forms.